And victory, of course, would take you into another final. Do you get the sense that amongst your players and your staff, is there a level of excitement starting to build up because you're getting closer and closer to what will be a very special achievement, maybe winning 3 trophies?
I'm so happy that you
PEP Guardiola, the mastermind, the professor of technician, the professor of the techniques here. He is just admitting the reasons to why he has an incredible season, to why he has the fantastic season, and of course he uses to say that it's just an historical season of his entire career in coaching. Of course, it has been one of the best season, as he has just qualified so many finals this season, as he is just in the FA Cup final. As also he's just qualifying on the semi-final of the UEFA Champions League. It's so fantastic, and I feel so happy and so much so good. He has also been describing the support and a fantastic role done by the players, as players have shown the incredible performance, commitment, hard working that they have, the secrets and the reasons behind their success this season. And of course, the players have always been performing very well, fantastic performance, and the kind of performance that they have shown is so the world class the performance, and that means a lot in the world of football to have that kind of players. And in fact, PEP Guardiola also thanks so much his teammate on the technical benches. He has got the incredible support. PEP Guardiola also has got the amazing support, and he also has been thanking the